name is Rebecca and welcome to my channel. I was shopping at Bailey's in North Judson, Indiana last fall, and you've probably seen these in my haul. I found this set of stick and sips. When I went back in the spring, they had a few boxes left, so I repurchased another box, so I have 12 altogether. They are red, white, and blue, and when I seen them, I thought they were cute for their intended purpose, but I wanted to do something different with them. I had an idea in mind. I love solar lights, and my lawn service does not like solar lights. They get caught up in the weed eater, they get broken, and they do not last an entire season. And when I seen these, I thought that I could make a holder for my solar lights. And since they were red, white, and blue, that is my summer decor. I thought that they would be absolutely darling. I went to the Dollar Tree and I purchased this extra large pool noodle. They are $3 at the Dollar Tree. Now, I am aware that other stores have them for a much better price. However, I knew that the Dollar Tree had this light blue color, and that is what I wanted because I wanted the color to show through with the white as well as the blue and the red. And so one of these pool noodles cut 12 sections. I measured just under the top rim of the stick and sip, and then I used the little sticker to measure off where I wanted my pool noodle to be cut. And so I went down the entire pool noodle and cut 12 of these. This DIY is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Now, I am not using the other section of the stick and sip. It does have a part that screws on, makes this taller chair height, but I do not need them that tall. All I'm going to do is put this pool noodle in the stick and sip, put it in the ground, and then I'm going to add in a solar light. You can use any kind of solar light that you would want. I personally fell in love with the patriotic solar lights at the Dollar General. They were $1.50 a piece, and they were a little bit on the smaller side, but I thought that they were darling. On a side note, it does not matter where you purchase your solar lights. Just make sure, if any way possible, that you can test the solar light. Make sure it is in working condition before you purchase it and walk out the store. Ask me how I know. I had to exchange one of them because it did not work after I got it home. So this turned out so cute. I am assured now that my solar lights are going to last an entire season. They are not going to get caught up in the weed eater. They are absolutely charming. I think they are so cute in the yard, and my lawn service, I'm sure, is very appreciative of it too. I will mention that I did take the ground stake out of the solar light barrel. I did not use that because the extra weight and the height made it a little bit wobbly, and without the ground stake, it slipped down into the pool noodle just fine. While you're here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell so that you know when I've uploaded my next video. Give this video a thumbs up. Not only are these so cute in the daylight, but at night the pool noodle gives a really nice blue glow, and they just look adorable. This is a 1, 2, 3 easy DIY. Thank you ever so much for watching Crafts, Laughs, and Chaos, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.